Now what do you wish to find out that you said upon this video? You probably need some additional money for your gas expenses, or to buy some snacks, to buy some new clothes, or just to spend it on leisure activities. Well, you are absolutely in luck, because this video is going to help you big time, as I am about to show you how to make an amount as massive as $750 per day by simply watching videos online. You know it. This is probably one of the easiest ways to make money online this year. Not only that, getting to this platform is absolutely free, you don't need any capital or investment, and it literally won't cost you anything without a single time spent. This platform just screams convenience. Further, since you can freely access this and utilize this method no matter where you are on the map, as it is widely available to almost all countries in the world. And if you're not hooked by that just yet, this one's going to do the trick. The entire method is utterly more than perfect for beginners like you who are just starting to make strides in the world of online money making. You honestly don't need any experience at all, and most importantly, no technical skills whatsoever are needed for you to accomplish this. Like I said, all you need to do is watch videos, and in a quick New York minute, you get to earn money just like that. Well, you're certainly interested now, aren't you? Now let's get started. First and foremost, you're going to need your phone, and that will be your weapon to let you earn a lot of money. Remember, you can earn a whopping $750 per day, and what's even greater about this is that you can repeat this process as many times as you want and earn as much as you can in return. Now the second step is actually quite very easy. Using the device of your choice, simply just press the play video to play some YouTube videos for you to watch enjoyably. And lastly, the third step is just a cherry on top, since by now you get paid just like that. So now you are probably very excited to learn about this very effective method to earn money online. And without further ado, the first website that I want you to lay your hands on is called the followfast.com. This website is where you can earn money by easily watching some videos. It's pretty cool, right? As you check for the recent payout history, we can see a lot of people across the world earning money every single day. Looking through this column, you can see that these people checked out today, which shows you that this website is transparent and open about how much money you can earn. This is how explicit and clear this website is on how much you can earn and how much you can check out all these people from different parts of the world who earn money simply by watching some videos. With all this payout information, you absolutely have no reason to worry about the platform's legitimacy, since obviously these people have been very satisfied with the insane amounts of money they have received from followfast.com. If you want to become one of those people, and I'm telling you that you can, all you have to do is stay with me. Don't skip ahead of this video so you can learn how to make money right at this instant. As we visit the website, we are immediately greeted with these texts to tell us how followfast.com works from their website. Everything is just easy to accomplish with these three very simple moves. First, join up for free, then second, view pages to earn points, and lastly, use your points to advertise. You have all the liberty to navigate through the home page and find out everything that you need to find out. But for now, let's get to the point with no hesitations. Starting off with our first step, I want you to click the join button right here, located on the upper right portion of the home page. This will lead us to your registration interface, where you can sign up for your free account by simply inputting your desired username, email, a password. And as for your location, the website already knows where. They will automatically detect your location, which means you don't have to type in anything anymore for this field right here, which says referral. Don't worry if you don't have one, as this website accepts everyone anywhere you are in the world, so you can do this completely on your own. Lastly, answer the captcha by typing in the numbers beside the box, and you're almost done, since all you have to do by now is to click on the join button right here to proceed. And as easy as 1, 2, 3, you now have your account on followfast. And in case you forgot, you did that for absolutely 100% free, and even in less than 5 minutes. And oh, before I forget, you can perform this method using any device that you have in your arsenal, be that your computer, your laptop, your tablet, and even your phone, just like I mentioned before. So you have your account now, right? The first thing that you will see after signing up for an account is your dashboard, and this is where the entire thing starts up. I want you to click on this YouTube button located right here, and here you can see there are plays, likes, dislikes, and subs. Now click on plays, and by that you can see this page right here where you can now watch the videos and get paid by watching them. Let me give you a little tip. If you want to gain and earn more and more points, you have to watch each video for at least 35 seconds. And then you will get yourself some points. These points will then be eventually converted to real money that you can use in your actual life. See how easy it is? Just play the video and wait for a while. And while you do this, you can even perform some other activities like reading a book, playing with your dog, listening to some tunes, and whatnot. As you can see right here, when you watch this video, you will earn this amount of points, so you can literally see the designated point system on the entire web page. To remember, you have to stay for a while to watch the video in order to generate more and more points. As you're watching the video, I want you to go back to follow fast.com, and here you will notice that the countdown starts from 35 seconds. When that countdown hits 0, you will then earn the points intended for each video. This will serve as your guide as to how many more seconds do you need to allot in watching the video. When you think about it, it's actually pretty amazing because follow fast.com is already helping you out with this tool that allows you to watch the video for exactly 35 seconds. With this guide of paramount help, you are able to make the most of your time so as to not waste a single second by going beyond what is asked to. And by the way, you really don't need to immerse yourself in the whole video because you don't need to watch the video at all. Now, that's a little secret that I want to tell you guys. In order to help you out, simply play the video, set your device aside, let it do its own work, and go back after 35 seconds. And voila, you now have your points automatically. Now going back, you can see these are the designated points allocated for each video. Simply click on the play button and this will lead you to YouTube. Pause the video, go back to follow fast.com, and wait until the countdown becomes 0. Like I said, it's all amazing because you literally don't need to watch the video at all. After the 35 seconds have completely run out, these points will be added to your balance in a blink of a night. This is so easy, and you can do it with your eyes closed. So I highly suggest that you watch as many videos as you can. At this point, I want you guys to expand the possibilities with this opportunity and increase your earnings by a long shot. So allow me to teach you how you can double or even triple the amount of money you can earn. Now, as an example, this video gives you this amount of points, right? The secret here is that you can create another tab on your phone, computer, or any device that you use and watch another video at the same time for you to gain more points however you like. That means no need for you to wait 35 seconds for you to proceed to the next video. Since everything is just playing all at once, you can do this as many times as you want wherever you are in the world, and with whatever device you are using. All this will work according to your own benefit, since you will be able to gain more points and in turn earn more and more money repeatedly. This is a way for you to make use of your time efficiently, and you can even watch up to 20 videos at once or even more. You will gain more money compared to other people by just watching YouTube videos. As you can see, with this amount of points, this will be added to your account right away after watching this video. For example, in this video you are looking at right now, I want you to click on the gear symbol and navigate through the listed options. Put the playback speed from regular to twice the speed of that video. And as for the video quality of the video, YouTube sets each video's quality to auto. Now what I want you to do is put the quality to 144p in order to save a lot of data time, and it will play the video without any pause if your internet connection is not working very well at that time. Not only that, but it will also allow you to watch lots and lots of videos with your phone, computer, or whatnot without spending a lot of time and gaining more money. If you think everything is already so great, well, you're absolutely right. But here's another tip that I want to show you. On the webpage, you can see this section that says daily bonus, and I want you to click on that. You will then be redirected to this page where you can claim a certain amount of points daily simply by following the steps needed to claim the points intended for the daily bonus. Each day you can earn bonus points when logging in, and also by doing 15 hits or likes. In order to get the bonus points, simply click on the button below that says get daily points. This is all fundamentally so trouble-free, since all you need to do is log in, click some buttons, watch 15 videos, and finally click the claim button. And just like that, you get to earn more points in a heartbeat. With these additional points that range up to 100 points per day in the daily bonus, you can access them in your account instantaneously. And with all your points accumulated, you get to earn a whole lot more money. Now you can finally get those shoes that you've been eyeing for over how many weeks now. How exciting! But wait, we are just not done yet, because we are just heading towards the best part, the cash out. As you navigate through the website, you can see the cash out button just right next to the daily bonus button. This will lead you to a web page where it will ask you for your desired payment method. As you can see, there are tons of payment methods available to you, such as PayPal, Perfect Money, and many other options to choose from. With this wide array of payment methods for you to freely select, it further adds to the website's convenience for users like you and me. So just choose whatever payment method is applicable to you in order to claim your money. So we are essentially finished with the entire process, since we already have our cash. To give you a quick recap of what we talked about, here's a short summary. Step 1, simply watch some videos videos on YouTube by clicking on the links on follow fast.com. Second, access the daily bonuses in order to have more sources of points that will eventually be exchanged for real money. Third, simply cash out your earnings by connecting your account information, such as your PayPal account, to get paid. What I personally like about this entire thing is that it has a significantly low payout threshold, which is only at $150. It means you can cash out a minimum of $150. Therefore, by the time you earn $150, you can already collect your money by requesting a payout, and then you will be paid within 3 to 5 days or even less. Also, you can cancel your payment request to change your payment address or your payment method. And just a little reminder, always confirm your account details and your payment information in order to not have any confusion at all. Not everyone knows what you have right now, so make good use of this platform to its fullest potential. Gain points to earn money anytime, anywhere, with any device that you're using. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, you are going to want to watch one of these 2 videos right here. Enjoy.